What is it? What did you just say?
I just say Gumball machine, bad place, walking, and a bad guy takes it all the way there.
Oh my.
The mystery says what else does it do and what green person does it do?
What person did what? What happened?
I think it takes all the vending machines.
He took all the vending machines?
I think.
Oh no. Sounds like a serial crime.
Yeah, I will need you to turn into Puppy, and Papa, I will need you to turn into Puppy too.
Oh.
Hi, what can I do for you, Detective Margie?
Something's wrong with the Gumball machine.
Really? I like the Gumball machine.
Are you going to the breakfast with us?
Yes, I will go to the restaurant. Last time I saw the Gumball machine was last Saturday at about, let me think here. I think it was 3 o'clock. Does that sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think maybe go up and check it out, okay?
Okay.
All right, take care. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
What do you think, doggies? Yeah, see, he thinks there's a clue. He's saying go check the restaurant. Look at that. You can pet him, hon. It's okay. Thank you for helping with the mystery.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
See you later. There you go. Yeah, nice little doggy.
Papa, can you give me my list?
What do you got in your notepad? Is that where you're keeping all your clues? Hi, how are you? What are you doing, Margie?
I'm taking a picture of you.
Oh, okay. For evidence?
Yeah,
Do you think I took the gumball machine?
I think.
No, I didn't. I promise.
You were taking it all the way up there.
Into the tree? No, I just take nuts up into the tree, not I promise.
You were taking it all the way up there.
Into the tree? No, I just take nuts up into the tree, not gumballs. You silly?
Then I'm not protecting those now.
Oh, you're not?
Yeah, because the gumball is safe.